Once upon a time, in a kingdom surrounded by enchanted forests and sparkling rivers, there lived a young dreamer named Lily. From the moment she could remember, Lily had a heart full of dreams and a spirit that soared higher than the highest tower in the kingdom. Lily's dreams were as diverse as the colors of the flowers in the royal gardens. She dreamt of exploring faraway lands, befriending magical creatures, and discovering the secrets hidden within the ancient woods. However, the people in the kingdom were practical and believed in the ordinary. Lily's dreams were met with laughter and skepticism. Undeterred by the doubters, Lily spent her days exploring the outskirts of the kingdom, searching for the extraordinary in the seemingly ordinary. One day, while wandering through the mystical enchanted forest, she stumbled upon a wise old owl perched on a gnarled tree branch. "Brave dreamer," the owl spoke, "your dreams are not meant to be hidden away. They are the keys to unlocking the magic within your heart." With newfound encouragement, Lily continued to pursue her dreams, unaware that the kingdom was facing a great challenge. A thick fog had descended, casting a shadow over the once bustling streets and silencing the joyous laughter that once echoed through the kingdom. The people were losing hope, and the once colorful kingdom now seemed dull and lifeless. Lily, sensing the despair, decided to use her dreams to bring back the magic that had been lost. She envisioned a world where laughter echoed through the streets, where the flowers bloomed brighter than ever, and where the kingdom thrived in harmony with the enchanted surroundings. With determination in her heart, Lily shared her dreams with the people. Slowly, the fog began to lift as the kingdom embraced the magic within Lily's dreams. The enchanted creatures that had long been hidden emerged, bringing with them the colors of the rainbow and the melodies of 1,000 songbirds. Lily's dreams had become a reality, and the kingdom transformed into a place more magical than anyone could have imagined. The once doubtful citizens now believed in the extraordinary, and Lily, the dreamer, became a beloved legend. From that day forward, the kingdom embraced the power of dreaming, teaching future generations that dreams were not just fantasies but the seeds of magic waiting to be planted. Lily's story became a fairy tale told to children, a reminder that in the face of doubt and darkness, holding on to your dreams could turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. And so, the kingdom flourished, forever grateful to the dreamer who never gave up on her dreams.